All right, guys, I wanted to show you our new social studies. So on Wednesday, when you get done with your check-in, your math, your reading, you'll have social studies here. So you'll click on it, click sign in. It's going to ask you to sign in, and you're going to type in your email address and your password just like you would for Google Classroom. Today's article is supply and demand, so you can read through, or you can read along as they read it to you. It does, when you're finished, you can collect some coins, and once you have enough coins, I think it gives you a game to play. You can click next and it'll take you to the next article, but I am going to do that one tomorrow. So I would only like you to do supply and demand. We're going to do one article each day, and then when we're finished, there'll be some activities and a quiz to go along with it.